What's up, everybody? In the new crib, in the new trading spot out in Colorado. Real quick, I see everyone doing these cool challenges, and I thought I wanted to challenge myself. So I'm gonna make something fun. I'm gonna keep making some updated videos, but everyone knows Instagram is my main platform. So everything will be posted really there. But I see people doing, 100 to a million, like Alex G. Shout out to him for crushing it right now. People see doing 1,000. So I thought I'd do something different. 2,000 to 2 million. It's my goal. I guys want to show you guys some quick setups that I'm looking into, my first trades. But real quick, it's a mess, I know, but I want to show you guys. Look at this. We got the setup. Okay, so first right here, we got two screens here. Boom. Got a couch over there. Got a whiteboard back there. And then I got my trading setup right here. Boom, the long screen. Having fun with it, guys. Let's have some fun. So I wanted to show you guys my setup real quick, make it happen. And let's go. So and while everyone's here, real quick, guys, Top Tier Academy is out. Top Tier Trader, if you want any challenges right now, we're running a 20% off of all challenges. Use the code WEBACK for 20% off any challenge right now until the end of the month. But let's go. Let's get started. So first, I've been looking at a lot of pairs. I want to see what I've been wanting to get into. AUDs are falling, but I got into this trade today. I really like this trade. Obviously, if you go to the daily, this double high right here, this double top, double high, whatever you want to call it, is really nice. But also something I noticed too is this, which is always nice to show, a nice little harmonic pattern. I don't really trade that way anymore, but obviously that higher high, that double top really made me look into the lower time frame. So I went down the 4 hour and I see a lot of momentum building right here. And I'm like, okay, a lot of momentum is building. Let's look. So I went to the hour, saw this beautiful trend. I really wanted to wait until it broke, but I went ahead and got in on it. I am, just so everyone can see, using Trade Locker, one of my favorite platforms to use. But I went ahead and got in at the close of this candle because I foresaw it dropping. I will be paying attention. I will be watching it just to make sure that everything stays well. The next trade that I'm looking at is CHFJ. This one actually is a higher time frame trade. I do foresee the potential for it to slide up and hit this 50 to 200 moving average. But we did have some good structure. But I'm looking for this. The only thing I don't like is the divergence here. But if you look overall, I think the yen pairs are going to continue to drop. I think we have to, especially after this trend line being broken. You're going to be looking at another push to the downside. So I'm looking at that push to the downside to really capitalize on as well. EURCAD, I actually called this trade in the Signal group, Traders Alliance. If you want that all as well, you can go to the link in my bio, or my education gets you access to this. Right now, my education, we are running a 50% off. I'll put the link somewhere down below, but we are running a 50% off right now. You get education and this, and it's really solid. It's really good education. I actually have people actually learning how to trade and actually learning how to make money. But I saw this last week. I saw this triple top right here. And for me, just the risk to reward was just worth it. You're risking 50 pips to catch 200, 225 actually. So you're looking at like a 1 to 4, and it's a really nice solid trade. Sometimes people just overcomplicate trading. I think they just make it, easy. What works. The biggest and the biggest hardest problem that people have, I think, is risk management and making it to where they, risk too little or don't risk enough, or they change their risk way too much. Stick to something that works and find it. And that's honestly all that I've done. And it's just simply what works for me. Back to another trade that I'm looking at right now is this trade. I'm looking at for a small retracement for it to hit back up here. Nice shark fin. Retracement to hit up here to then continue back to the downside. For me, that is going to be a really, really nice trade. Guys, for all the trades that I'm using right now, I'm using just my FX book risk calculator. It tells you your position. You know, let's say you're in CHFJ and you have a $2,000 account. 2,000, you want to risk, let's say, obviously I'm risking a lot right now because I'm doing this flip, but let's just say you want to risk 7.5%. Your stop loss is, let's do something simple, let's say 75 pips to make it easy. Your risk size, your lot size should be 0.29. Takes it out. You're gonna see you're gonna lose $150. So if you have a 1 to 3, you'll make 450. 1 to 2, you'll make 300 by risking 150. I like it. It's smooth, guys. It's very, very simple. Keep trading simple. Risk calculator, everything's in place. And then the last trade I'm looking at is Euro USD. We had a nice shark fin back into the range, hitting the 15 moving average. For me, this is the swoopity swoop, guys. I love this trade. This trade is just super, it always works out for me. It just always works out for me. Keeping my stop loss just right above this structure. But I'm looking for this to continue to head to the downside. Loving this. And those are the trades I'm in right now. And those are probably the only trades I'm going to be in for the week. Gold keeps creating highs. You have the stock market right now just seems to be on a tear. Bitcoin is doing really, really well. I love trading Bitcoin. Let me look right here. But the only thing that scares me is you have on Bitcoin right now, you do have this needs to break this high right here, but you have this downward channel, which does scare me. And so yeah, so that's something that I don't like, about Bitcoin, but I'm a big believer in Bitcoin. I hold Bitcoin. But if you like videos like this, guys, drop a comment below. I'm gonna try to be doing these, once every week or 2 weeks. These are gonna just be more raw and real and in the data. None of that fake like glamour and foo-foo stuff. It's gonna just be in the data, the real stuff. And then after this, the goal is to continue to provide more value and teach you guys in different ways and different stuff, and have a lot coming. So I appreciate it. And please share this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all the stuff. And remember, be back for top tier. Peace.